Good morning. Fall is here and it is cold, and I am outside of my listing in Brookhaven. We are a few days post settlement, and per the agreement of sale, when you as a seller sign an agreement of sale, you are saying that the property will be cleaned out of all personal property and broom swept. So we want to make sure that all the stuff is off the floors, nothing in the countertops. Now, this property was already professional deep cleaned as part of my home services package. But today my seller is completely out and he is at work. And so what we're going to do today to prep the home for the new buyers is I have my clean out crew coming to finalize the larger items that need to be cleaned out. We have a play structure in the back that's going to be removed and taken away to the dump. And then we're going to do just a really quick and final cleaning just to make sure that the house is ready to go for the next buyers. Look at that guy. Here he is on site, Brian Beers, my husband and handyman. So why is this important? Because my client did enough. This was a very huge process of downsizing for him. He's been in the house for 15 years. There was a lot of stuff to get through. So what we're doing today is just adding value and adding ease to this process. So we're going to finalize everything here. He's at work and getting unpacked in his new place. That's what I want him to be concerned with. We'll go ahead and take the rest of this off his plate. So I'll show you some before and after photos, and we'll get started. I'm waiting for my clean out guys, and we're going to rock this out. Cheers. A little coffee with the beers. Okay, so that's a wrap. We did the final cleanup, and I think this house is perfect and ready to go for the new owners. We'll give you a little quick peek. And yeah, if you guys are looking to sell a property, you're looking to downsize, or you've inherited a home and you just have a lot of stuff and you really don't have the time or resources to get this stuff done, I offer a really simple solution, all-in-one packages, one fee, no upfront costs. I'm here to make it easy. You know, I've been in business since 2014, and we just want to provide as much value as we possibly can to our clients, because you deserve to get the best that real estate and a real estate team has to offer. All right, thanks so much. If you guys are interested in getting a free consultation, feel free to just shoot me a text. You can reach me on my cell anytime. It'll be at the bottom of this post. I look forward to working with you and your loved ones on their real estate transactions. Thanks.